Welcome back to Apple Insider, the place where we dive deep into Apple's latest innovations and bring you the most detailed insights so you know exactly what's worth your time and money. Today we're reviewing something that could define the future of wearable technology, the Apple Glasses. This isn't just another piece of tech, it's Apple's bold step into the world of augmented reality, and it promises to change how we see and interact with the digital world around us. Let's break down every aspect, from design to value for money, so by the end you'll know if Apple Glasses are truly worth it. Number 1 is design and build quality. Apple has always had a reputation for premium design, and the Apple Glasses carry forward that legacy with remarkable precision. They look like a regular pair of stylish prescription glasses rather than bulky headsets or futuristic visors. This is key because Apple clearly understands that wearable tech has to blend into everyday life. The frames are lightweight, made from durable materials like aluminum and reinforced glass fibers, so they feel sturdy without putting strain on your nose or ears. The subtle curves and minimalistic finish make them look sleek, almost like a fashion accessory rather than a gadget. Apple offers customization too, from frame colors to prescription lenses, ensuring it's not just technology but also personal style. Even the hinges are engineered to feel smooth yet durable, something you notice every time you put them on. Small details, like a matte texture that resists fingerprints and a carefully balanced weight distribution, make wearing them for hours effortless. Unlike other smart glasses that scream, tech gadget, these look like something you'd wear confidently in a cafe, at work, or even during formal occasions. It's clear that Apple wanted people to feel natural wearing them, and that's exactly what they've achieved. Number 2 is display. This is where the magic of Apple Glasses truly comes alive. Instead of a traditional display like you see on phones, the glasses use micro-projectors that beam images directly onto your lenses, creating a crisp and almost invisible overlay of digital content in your real-world view. The resolution is stunning, with sharp text, vibrant colors, and high contrast that works even in bright sunlight. Apple has implemented adaptive brightness, so the lenses adjust automatically depending on your environment, ensuring visibility without being overwhelming. What's impressive is how seamlessly the virtual elements integrate with reality. For example, navigation arrows on the street feel like they're actually part of the road, or notifications appear floating subtly in your peripheral vision without blocking your real-world sight. The refresh rate is smooth enough to eliminate motion blur, and Apple's TrueTone technology ensures colors look natural. Unlike other AR headsets that feel like you're looking at a screen glued to your eye, here it feels natural, almost like the digital information belongs in the real world. This level of visual clarity makes everything from reading messages to following workout routines more immersive and far more practical. Number 3 is performance. Inside these glasses is Apple's engineering genius. They are powered by a dedicated custom chip, optimized for AR, that delivers lightning-fast performance without draining unnecessary power. Whether you're navigating in maps, scanning a QR code, or using AR apps for learning, the experience is fluid with no lag or stuttering. Apple has designed the hardware-software integration in such a way that you rarely notice the computing happening, it just works instantly. The sensors and processors track head movement, gestures, and environmental data in real time, ensuring that the overlays remain stable and natural even if you move quickly. Pairing with your iPhone or other Apple devices is seamless, thanks to Apple's ecosystem. Performance also extends to audio, with built-in directional speakers that provide clear sound without the need for headphones, though privacy mode ensures no one else hears your notifications. The glasses aren't trying to replace a MacBook or iPhone but instead extend them into a wearable form, delivering quick, effortless computing exactly when you need it. Number 4 is camera. Apple has kept this subtle and thoughtful. Instead of plastering huge camera modules on the frames, the cameras are neatly integrated, almost invisible. They're not meant for replacing your iPhone's photography setup but for practical uses in AR. For example, they can scan objects, translate text in real time, or help with augmented overlays like showing measurements directly on a surface. The quality is sharp enough for video calls, with Apple's computational image processing making sure lighting and focus are balanced, even indoors. There are also privacy considerations. A small indicator light lets people around you know when the camera is active, which builds trust and avoids the creepy factor that has plagued other smart glasses. While these cameras aren't built for professional content creation, they deliver exactly what's needed for an AR-first device: accuracy, clarity, and practicality. Number 5 is battery life. Wearable devices succeed or fail depending on how long they last, and Apple has done well here. The Apple glasses can comfortably last a full day of moderate use, thanks to a highly efficient chip and intelligent power management. The glasses enter low power mode automatically when not actively used, like when you're just wearing them casually. Charging is elegant, with a magnetic connector that attaches seamlessly to the frame, or even wireless charging through a special dock. Apple has also prioritized safety, ensuring the glasses don't overheat even during prolonged usage. Realistically, if you're using heavy AR apps constantly, you may need a midday charge, but for average users who rely on navigation, notifications, light browsing, and short AR experiences, these glasses hold up remarkably well. Apple also offers fast charging support, so just 20 minutes on the dock gives you several hours of use, which is a lifesaver when you're in a rush. Number 6 is software and features. This is where Apple's ecosystem shines brightest. The Apple glasses are deeply integrated into iOS, iCloud, and Apple's suite of apps. Imagine seeing your messages pop up gently in your vision, replying through Siri voice commands or subtle finger gestures. Navigation through maps transforms into arrows directly on the streets as you walk. Fitness apps can guide your workout by projecting real-time stats in front of you, while FaceTime lets you have video calls with floating windows that move naturally with your head. The glasses also support third-party AR apps, opening up possibilities for education, gaming, productivity, and even creative work. Apple has kept controls simple: minimal gestures, voice commands, and seamless iPhone integration. Privacy is also front and center, with clear permissions, on-device processing, and transparency indicators. What makes the features powerful is how invisible they feel. They don't interrupt your life but rather blend into it, making everyday tasks simpler, smarter, and more intuitive. Number 7 is value for money. Let's be honest, Apple glasses are not cheap. They come with a premium price tag that reflects Apple's positioning as a luxury tech brand. But value isn't just about the cost, it's about what you get for that investment. With Apple glasses, you're not only buying a piece of hardware but also buying into Apple's vision for the future. You're getting cutting-edge AR technology in a package that looks like a normal accessory, a device that integrates seamlessly with your iPhone, and a product backed by Apple's ecosystem of updates and support. Compared to other AR devices that look bulky, feel experimental, or lack app support, Apple glasses offer a polished, usable, and socially acceptable product from day one. If you're someone who values innovation, convenience, and design, the glasses deliver significant value. They may not be for everyone, especially if you see them as just an accessory, but for those ready to experience the future of computing, they're a worthwhile investment. So, what's the final word? Apple glasses represent one of the most ambitious steps Apple has taken since the iPhone. They're not trying to replace your phone or computer, but instead complement them by bringing digital information into your real world in a way that feels natural, elegant, and practical. From their premium design to stunning displays, seamless performance, practical cameras, dependable battery, rich features, and ecosystem value, they're the most polished vision of consumer AR we've seen so far. Yes, they come with a premium price, but Apple isn't just selling a product, they're selling the future of how we interact with technology. If you're ready to be among the first to step into that future, Apple glasses are the device to watch. This has been Apple Insider, and we'll continue to bring you in-depth coverage of Apple's boldest innovations.